Being obsessed with your look is only natural. People enjoy seeing themselves gorgeous. Particularly, in the case of hair, you would love to have dense, voluminous strands. Although while hair weavers and extensions remain an option, you would of course, love to improve flat, limp or thin hair. Here we compiled 10 very powerful natural remedies, explaining step by step how to achieve thicker hair. While you might hear several beauticians recommending you use shampoos and conditioners, make sure to give these natural remedies a try. It is quite obvious to be obsessed for luscious hair. In this video, we have listed 10 ways on how to achieve thick hair at home. Looking for an inexpensive yet effective natural remedy to grow thicker hair? Keep watching to find out. How to get thicker hair naturally. 1. Coconut oil. In case you haven't heard, coconut is one of the most recommended natural remedies for thin hair. If you want to achieve dense hair naturally, try out applying coconut oil. It has fatty acids that condition your hair and enhance its health. Besides, coconut oil hydrates hair follicles, removing dryness and dandruff. In the process, it reduces hair loss to a significant extent. You might be questioning how coconut oil can make your hair thick and healthy. Well, it has UV filters that protects your hair from damage caused by sun rays. How to apply? Take around 2 tablespoons of this oil and massage into scalp before you take a bath. Remember, when your hair is wet it's at its most vulnerable point. You might even let the oil work overnight or a few hours before rinsing it off. Alternatively, you may use warm coconut oil and apply it directly to your scalp. For the next 15 minutes, make sure to cover your hair with a towel. This ensures that the warm oil penetrates your hair shaft deeply. 2. Gooseberry. Indian gooseberry, also referred to as Amla, is one of the best remedies to make your hair feel thicker. It has a blooming effect on the DPC, dermal papilla cells, present within your hair follicles. Eventually, it stimulates the growth of your hair, extending the active growth phase during the growth cycle of your hair. If you are wondering how can I improve my hair quality, try this out. Gooseberry comes packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. It protects your hair from free radicals that cause damage and loss of hair. If you're looking to grow more thicker hair in a month, use gooseberry oil to prevent issues like split ends and breakage. How to apply? Massage your scalp with some Amla oil, rubbing gently with your hands. It's best to leave the oil for an hour or more on your scalp. Repeat this process twice a week and wash off the oil during your bath. 3. Olive oil. For fitness fanatics, olive oil may have found its way into their diet. However, if you are interested mainly in getting thicker hair, this powerful compound holds this secret too. The fatty acids monounsaturated present in olive oil not only strengthens the tips and roots of the hair but also helps to eliminate dandruff, and thereby, minimizes hair fall. Most importantly, it keeps your scalp moist. In case you are looking for a quick remedy to make your hair thicker, make sure to apply olive oil to the scalp. How to apply? Apply olive oil directly to the scalp, particularly in the dry areas. Massage the scalp gently with your hands to improve the circulation of blood. This stimulates the follicles of your hair to develop thicker strands. After about 15 minutes, then use warm water to wash off the hair. This makes your hair smooth, shiny, and thick. 4. Aloe vera and castor oil. In your search for effective remedies to have thick hair, try out this magical blend of aloe vera and castor oil. Both these ingredients have lots of benefits for dry hair. Aloe vera makes the inactive follicles active again, enhancing hair growth. It contains a proteolytic enzyme, along with minerals like zinc and copper. Many in the fashion industry want to grow their hair thicker in a week or so. Using aloe vera and castor oil can give you a fast remedy. Particularly, the fatty acid and vitamin E content in castor oil promote quick hair growth. Besides, it coats the hair heavy due to its density. How to apply? For the best results, all you have to do is apply castor oil just like coconut oil. You may also add castor oil 2 tablespoons to aloe vera gel 1 cup. For increased benefits, add fenugreek powder 1 spoon to this solution. Apply this mixture to directly the hair, massaging to the tips from the roots. You can apply it weekly and leave it in overnight. Rinse off your hair in the morning to achieve the desired texture. 5. Eggs. If you are cautious about your diet, you might be eating eggs, knowing how rich they are in protein. Well, when it's your goal to get thicker hair naturally in a short time, let your hair share the nutrients. This could be a pleasant surprise to you, but you can actually apply raw egg yolk directly onto your hair. In the case you want to achieve thick hair in a month, you have to make the best use of the egg yolk. This is packed with nutrients like vitamins A and D, along with enriching proteins like folate and biotin. Apply it directly to your hair to nourish the scalp and roots, making them stronger. How to apply? Start by beating 2 eggs and whisk the yolk together. Apply the viscous material directly to your hair and let it settle for at least 30 minutes. You will notice that your hair has turned silky and soft instantly. This is a very effective process for deep hair and scalp moisturizing. You might opt for this treatment 2 times a month. 6. Avocado and coconut oil. Try using avocado, along with coconut oil to make your hair get thicker and longer. If you are seeking the secret to get thicker hair for men, this is your answer. Avocado contains antioxidants, minerals, and fat content. Its also anti-inflammatory features make it powerful enough for strengthening, moisturizing and repairing the hair. How to apply? Start with avocado in oil form. There are 2 ways to apply it on your hair. Apply a small amount of avocado on the scalp and massage it gently with your fingers. After a few minutes, use some shampoo, chemical-free, to rinse it off. You may alternatively massage your hair with warm coconut oil, working it from the roots to the tips. Turn the avocado into the paste and apply it only on the hair tips. Wash it off after half an hour to get dense hair. Repeat this process once a week for the best results. 7. Lemon juice and aloe vera. Looking for more thick hair home remedies to enhance your hair quality? Enriched with vitamin C, lemon juice has tons of goodness to achieve thicker hair. Besides, lemon juice can boost the immunity system, and reduce inflammation in the process. It also cures or at least mitigates graying of hair. In case you are looking for an effective remedy to make your hair appear thicker, make sure to use lemon juice for treating your hair. You can also use it along with aloe vera for the best outcome. How to apply? If you're looking for a remedy to make hair thicker for men, give this traditional cure a chance. After cutting a lemon into 2 halves, squeeze the juice into a bowl. Apply it evenly to your scalp and massage gently for a few minutes. Let it dry for about 10 minutes, which would remove the oil and dirt from your scalp. You may alternatively carry out this treatment, adding a few drops of lemon juice into half a cup of aloe vera juice. Rinse off your scalp thoroughly. 8. Pumpkin seed oil. The natural way is the best way to make your hair grow thicker, and in this case go for pumpkin seed oil. This is a relatively lesser-known solution that can help you naturally achieve longer and thicker hair. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants, most definitely healthy acids, amino fats, and vitamins. This ensures that it's possible to maintain the normal structure of the cells, keeping your scalp and hair moisturized. By using this oil you can also prevent hair loss to a significant extent. How to apply? You can apply pumpkin seed oil directly to your scalp. You can also consume it in the form of supplements, or directly. Take a teaspoon of this oil 3 times a day and drink it to get thick and strong hair in about 30 days. 9. Green tea. Enriched with polyphenols, green tea is perhaps one of the best remedies to achieve thicker hair. If you are questioning how green tea can make thin hair thicker, you should keep note that it contains bioactive compounds. This casts a proliferative impact on the scalp's dermal papilla cells. In the process, it reduces hair loss, nurturing its growth. However, if your system is uncompromising when it comes to caffeine, or you have been taking blood thinners or stimulants, consult your physician before consuming green tea. How to apply? Washing your scalp using warm green tea destroys the fungal and bacterial parasites. Of course, you can consume 1 to 2 cups of green tea every day to make thin hair look thicker. 10. Onion juice and honey. Anyone seeking a natural process to grow their hair thicker and faster should definitely try out this remedy. According to researchers, onion juice contains certain phytochemical compounds. This promotes hair regrowth, and can be used to treat poor hair quality. Mixing it with honey leaves your hair with a sweet aroma. It will help your hair to grow voluminous, besides making it thicker naturally. How to apply? Cut half an onion and then extract its juice. Apply it directly to the scalp and rinse it off with a chemical-free shampoo after 30 minutes. Repeating the process 2 times a week will help make your hair thicker and stronger. Best foods to grow thicker hair. You might be suffering from poor hair quality due to several factors, like pollution, lack of proper nutrition, exposure to sunlight, and so on. Many health enthusiasts question how they can get their normal hair condition back in 7 days. Well, having a healthy diet with the proper nutrients can give you thick and long hair in a short span. Firstly, you must know that the following factors can cause thinning of hair: poor nutrition, overuse of hair products, commercial genetics, illness, reactions to chemicals or allergies, and natural aging. Make sure to add the following items, loaded with nutrition, to your diet to make your hair thicker. Eggs, containing omega-3, protein and iron. Salmon, consisting of fatty acids and high protein. Walnut, which is rich in fatty acids. Protein sources like Greek yogurt. Green and black beans, rich in proteins. Cereals that are rich in iron. Spinach, containing A and C, along with iron and folate. Vitamin D supplements. Quinoa, by far one of the best sources of zinc. Sunflower seeds, which are rich in vitamin E, to prevent dry scalp. In case you are suffering from a health condition, you may want to check out with your physician before consuming any of the items listed. The hair care solutions presented in this video are worth trying, given that they cause little or no risk to your overall health. In case you are wondering how to grow hair faster and thicker, give these remedies a try. However, if you experience an unexplained or sudden hair thinning or loss, consult your doctor immediately, as you may have other underlying medical factors which may be the cause. If you have allergies, make certain not to use an allergen on your scalp. The natural treatment processes is highly recommended, rather than using dangerous chemical compounds and cosmetics. The results might show variable duration to appear in different individuals. However, you would enjoy and appreciate the long-term benefits of these remedies.